Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the best settings for Apex Legend for controllers. So firstly let me go to the training ground. So I'm going to show you there the best settings. Now after you're in your training ground, let me go to the bottom part. Now what you have to do is first just simply go to your settings page, click on your escape button, then settings, then go to controllers. Now the first thing that you have to change is disable survival slot button. Just simply disable that. Then increase the menu cursor speed as shown to you in the video. Then just simply scroll down and enable all the three options: movement dead zone, inverted lock, and vibration. If you want to enable or disable, it's totally up to you for the vibration. Now after that, click on advanced lock control, then enable this option. Then go to pre-optic settings, then enable this option. Now over here, do exactly what is shown to you in the video. Just simply follow along and do all the steps. So after you have done that, go back. Now make the changes in the custom lock control as well. Just simply follow along. Then scroll down and make the changes over here as well. In the end, enable both of the options over here, and that should do it. That's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.